Hi guys! So we have durian here in front of me as you can see. And alam nyo guys, dito lang yan sa Davao mabibili pero kahit taga Davao ako, di ko pa talaga yan na-try. So, oh my god! It's so talinis! Can you move it here? Ganda ng plato ko guys. And how to open this one? Ah! Do I have booger? Makati yung nose ko. Anyways, what variant is this? I know there's a lot of variant sa durian. Do you have idea?
The 101?
Ang sabi nila masarap daw yung, I don't know, yung, oh my god! I don't like the amoy! So tama nga pala yung sinasabi ng iba no na, oh my god. Ba't kita yung amoy niya, Bobby? Kumakain ka ba nito?
Tatikin ako ba?
Sabi nila, may durian daw na kapag kinain mo kahit hanggang sa buto, walang matitira. What variant is this? You didn't ask?
D101 nga.
101?
D101.
D101?
Yan yung gina-export sa China.
D101? Ito yung in-export. Okay.
Masarap.
Oh my god! I really don't like the smell. Is it masarap? Anong lasa niya?
Durian.
Mapait?
Sarap.
Ang lakas talaga ng amoy! Kasi hindi ko mahilig sa coffee, nagko-coffee ako. Do you have spoon? Like, ano na lang, tinidor. Masarap ba to? Matamis siya? Ano bang lasa nito? I'm so curious.
Kutsara. Para kompleto.
Ako lang yung taga Davao guys na hindi pa nakatry ng durian. And syempre, it's Kadayawan month. So dapat, alam niyo naman, ito yung sikat na fruit dito sa Davao. So, can you try a little? Good. I really don't like. I want to cry na. Can you make kain in front of them? I cannot eat it. Naiiyak ako, boy. Crazy? Crazy? Do I really need to try this one? It's really hard for me. Can you make challenge me in other stocks na lang?
Kutsara ay at saka tinidor. Ganyan yung one. Yan yung best way para magkain yan.
So mabaho. It makes me... It makes me suka. Ba't yung iba nasasarapan? Look, I have luha na here. Is this really masarap? How much will you give me if I gonna eat this one? Just this much.
20k.
Just this much.
Isang liso, 20k.
20k.
Isang liso.
Magkano nga yung bill ko sa hospital? 100. So, mga 5. Oh my God! It's really hard. Can you make me another challenge na lang? Is this parusa? Ayoko na. I cannot. I'm so sorry, guys. I cannot.